Hello students, today let me introduce you to ICT. Technological development has revolutionized our everyday life to a great extent. It has led to the emergence of a new global economy. Technology has virtually transformed the world into a global village. Nowadays, with a click of a button, you can find any information you want. First, let us talk about the Information and Communication Technology. ICT is an acronym for Information and Communication Technology. It refers to all the devices, networking components, applications and systems that allow people and organizations to interact in the digital world. ICT comprises all communication technologies such as the Internet, mobile phones, satellite transmission, wireless networks, etc. Now let's understand the role and importance of ICT. Every aspect of our daily routine has altered with the advent of ICT. It helps to improve the quality of our lives by giving us an easy access to information as well as a large number of products and services. ICT has transformed the way we live, the way we work, the way we conduct business and the way we communicate with each other. ICT in workplace. The World Wide Web has made it possible to search for information on varied issues such as education, health and nutrition, current affairs, social aspects, finance and many other important issues which help us to improve and enrich our lives. ICT is very helpful at the workplaces that use robots and artificial intelligence in the manufacturing of products. ICT is used in many other workplaces like the mining industry for prospecting, auto industry and aerospace industry for research, design, engineering and manufacturing, assembling as well as fault diagnosis and safety test and simulations, power plants for power generation and distribution, telecommunications industry for building and maintaining networks. Finance agencies have access to a large amount of information about companies and markets all over the world, which help them in analyzing and predicting future trends. The potential application of ICT is only limited by our imagination. If used correctly, ICT can impact human lives in an effective and positive way and enrich our lives. ICT in education. ICT can be effectively used to develop content and conduct classroom training through videos, expert lectures and other such tools. TV channels, websites and apps use ICT services to create and transmit educational content and provide online training to students living in the remotest parts of the world. Nowadays, several online educational programs are available that are conducted through video conferencing. ICT has improved the process of teaching and learning in many ways like students and teachers have access to a wide expanse of knowledge base. Students can develop research skills at a young age. Teachers are able to collaborate and share their ideas and resources online. ICT in healthcare. ICT is used in the pharmaceutical sector for cutting-edge research and manufacturing. It helps in hospital management, administration, and it also helps the doctors and nurses to diagnose, treat and monitor patients. One can search for and learn about various diseases, their symptoms, cures and precautionary measures on the Internet. IT in governance. Digital India and e-governance initiatives of government have resulted in providing many government services online, such as processing of documents like licenses, collection of taxes, exchange of information with citizens and other government departments. ICT also provides a platform for interaction between the government and people through government websites and apps. Services such as tax payment, ordering LPG cylinders, enrolling for electoral process, paying for water and land bills, and finding information about different government schemes has been made possible because of ICT. ICT in business. ICT facilitates e-commerce, which includes marketing and product browsing and shopping and processing of orders. Business communications through email, video conferencing and mobiles in marketing of products is another major use of ICT in business. E-commerce or online shopping allows the users to search and compare various products and services which they can buy at competitive prices and get them delivered right at their doorsteps, thus saving time and money. E-banking facilitates business by helping in banking transactions at any time from anywhere. It has enabled people to conveniently and quickly conduct their financial transactions online.